Okay, so I'm gonna check these two relays. This is your DME and this is your starter relay. Let me check these two for voltage. Okay, so I've verified I have a fault on the DME relay ground. I'm going to pull the back computer to see if there's any kind of damage in the computer. Okay, I'm peeling the power to the car and removing the engine control module for the DME. Alright, I should have shot a video of the engine control module as well, but it looked just as good. There's nothing on here, so if it is a fault, it's inside of one of these relays here. Each one of these control modules has irremovable relays, and whenever they take a crap, the whole control module takes a crap. Alright, so reinstalled the computer and the control module, or the security control module, and same thing. This is what's going on. And it's not a clutch switch thing because it wouldn't have, the clutch switch failing wouldn't have caused it to just shut off for no reason, but this is what's happening. Fuel pump's coming on, everything's working except for the starter, and yeah.